Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to use pen tools. I will create new file and then click create. Now if you want to use pen tools, you can click at this icon, hold and then click on pen tools. Or you can click on canvas, move to direct, it will be automatically create the straight line. If you want to create cube, you can click hold and then you can set for the cube like this. To create straight line, you can click or click hold again to create straight line, and then to create a cube, you can click hold, move the point like this. If you don't, you can go to these icons, or if you want to move these lines or sketch, you can click at these icons. We can use this path selection tools. You can click the path and then you can move into another area. You also can edit by clicking at the edge. You can click at this icon, direct selection tools. Like I will select at this edge. Now you can move into another area if you select at this point like this. You can click once at this point and then you can move into another like this, or you can click again at this point and from this point into here. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to use pen tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.